was your experience like with Gator Metal Roofing once you decided to call?
It was excellent. Expeditious. As soon as we called them, they came out, gave us the estimate. A couple weeks later, we're right here.
How quickly was Gator able to get you scheduled once you called?
It was about 3 weeks. They came and gave us a quote when we entered the information on the website. Then they call you, and yep, we're going to come up on such and such a day. And then they gave us the quote, and then we decided on the color, and then a couple weeks later, we started the installation process.
What do you like most about your metal roof as opposed to a traditional roof?
It's a one-time replacement, and then for the rest of my life, that I won't have to worry about it. All roofs are different. Mine has a lot of valleys and a lot of innuendos around it that just make it a unique roof. And so for the roofing guys, there's a lot of work because they have to do a lot of custom cutting in order to get everything to fit. And so being able to see that helps you make your decision, because then you can look at it and say, well, mine's not as complicated as that.
And so far, are you happy with the process?
Yeah, we're not done yet, but yes.
Getting your new energy efficient Gator Metal roof is as easy as 1, 2, 3.